In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in BBC iPlayer application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem with the application, like with your logins, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the BBC iPlayer application. Click on Show All and you want to scroll down until you see the app we're looking for. The app we're looking for, simply tap on it and you want to click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your logins. However, if you're having any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.